Just wanna see the light.
What's up guys, Major here, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the background of a picture with Photoshop. So guys, if you're a newcomer, make sure to subscribe and then like this video. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Okay, let's just say 50 likes. I'm not greedy, just 50 likes guys. If you watch this video and you've reached this extent, please hit the like button and let's get straight to the tutorial. So the first thing you have to do is you have to import a file. You have to go to new, then click okay, make sure that the background is transparent. So what you have to do now, you have to place the file. You want to remove the background. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to be using this transparent PS4 controller. So you have to drag it into Photoshop. When you drag it into Photoshop, you see that the background of the controller is very white, while the background of the whole picture, like the layer, is like transparent. You can see it's transparent. You can see here, this is okay, this is transparent, while this is white. So let's get straight. So what you have to do now is you have to go to this quick selection tool. When you click quick selection tool, you have to make the selection of where you want to keep after when you finish removing the background. So you have to make it, and then make sure that there are no selections inside the main selection. So what you have to do now is you have to come over here to this place, and then add layer, click add layer mask, and you can see that the background is gone. You can see the background is gone. You can see. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. This is the basic way to remove background in any picture with Photoshop. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like this video. Let's get this video to 50 likes. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Major out.